Cloud Security Engineer Roadmap, Zero to Job Ready. Why cloud security is critical. More cloud usage equals more security risks. What cloud security engineers do. Protect cloud systems, secure data, prevent breaches. Step 1. Build strong foundation. Networking security basics. Operating systems. Step 2. Learn cloud platforms. Start with Amazon Web Services. Step 3. Understand cloud security. IAM, access control, encryption, network security. Step 4. Learn security tools, monitoring, threat detection, logging systems. Step 5. Learn compliance, data protection, security policies, best practices. Step 6. Practical skills, secure cloud setup, fix vulnerabilities, audit systems. Step 7. Build projects, secure cloud architecture, IAM setup, monitoring system. What companies expect. Security mindset, cloud knowledge, risk management. Common mistakes. Ignoring basics, no hands-on security practice, only theoretical knowledge. The TIMELINE 5 to 8 months with strong practice. Career path. Cloud security engineer, right pointing arrow. Security architect, right pointing arrow. Cyber security lead. The final take. Cloud is powerful, but security makes it safe. Closed lock rocket.